Hi traders, this is Steve Miley for ForexTraders.com, and here we're going to take a look at the pound against the US dollar, the GBPUSD spot FX rate on a day trade short-term trading perspective. Well, this uptrend is very much intact. We have had a dip lower in here over the last 24 hours. Well, we've got a small support area in here around 129.00 to 128.98, and whilst just holding above there at the moment, we're going to look for a rebound effort back up towards 129.54, maybe 129.85. back up to the recent peak here in the next 24 hours. So it's hanging on to a positive tone whilst above this 129.00, 128.98 support area. Should we surrender that, then we'll probably see correction down towards 128.67, but then we'd look for that level to try to hold. Should that surrender though, we'd look for 128.35. So support levels 128.98, really 128.67, certainly looking for the lower one to hold, but we do see risk of a break at 129.98, aiming for 128.67, but our underlying bias is still positive, and we do look for a rebound up to these resistances at 129.54, 129.85. Critical going forward is going to be this 130.13 peak in here posted back in latter October, and that's going to be the key target to the upside going into the balance of the week. This has been Steve Miley for ForexTraders.com. Please do follow our YouTube channel, and I'll be back with you shortly. Until then, traders, have a great trading day.